Hey guys, this is Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV Country here in Okeechobee, Florida, and I'm here to show you the 3150 Forest River Cardinal. Just recently arrived here on our lot. This is a rear living model. It features 3 slide outs, 2 here on the right and 2 on the left. Comes with an upgrade 5th wheel hookup. We have automatic awnings here and there on the living room slide. 3 steps up, massive storage. It's made with super aluminum vacuum bonded construction. Alright, well, let's take a look inside. Alright, so we're inside and really nice couch here at the end. This actually has an inflatable bed that comes out. Beautiful furniture here. I believe, let's see, where is this furniture made? Made by Mastercraft Incorporated. Really nice furniture. Beautiful cabinetry, freestanding dinette here in the living room. Beautiful valances with night shades and day shades. Solid surface countertops. Undermounted sink. Nice big sink with stainless steel faucet. A Frigidaire residential refrigerator. Keep all the food you need to in there. Solid surface countertops here as well. Triple burner stove and oven cover. Nice big pantry area. Let's take a look inside, see what this has to offer. Alright, so lots of space in there, more space in there. Beautiful. Nice entertainment center, Toshiba TV. Looks to be about 40 to 46 inches big, and a fireplace. Let's take a look in the master bedroom. Before we get to the master bedroom, we're going to find a nice wardrobe here off to the left. A nice design window here. Door. Alright. Now this looks to be actually looks to be a king size bed, but it could be a queen size. It's pretty big though. Mirrored wardrobe here. This is pretty cool. I'll show you this. This unlocks up here, like so. Slides back and you have drawers for socks and whatnot. That closes and locks. And then in this door, we've got washer and dryer. So that is a pretty cool feature, I have to say. Most 5th wheels don't come with them pre-installed. Here's a Dometic 4-flush toilet in the bathroom, sink, solid surface sink, countertops with undermounted faucet, sink. Beautiful. The sink is actually all one piece, which makes it even nicer. Beautiful. Alright. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 863-271-9988. We can answer any questions you may have about any of our units. We'd love to work with you. Have a great and wonderful day.